Want a simple homemade drink that may support your weight loss journey naturally? Today, I'll show you how to make a warm and refreshing cinnamon tea that can help boost metabolism, reduce bloating, and support belly fat loss when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Let's make it. Ingredients: 4 cups of water, 1-inch ginger piece, crushed, 1 cinnamon stick, ½ teaspoon honey or jaggery, optional, lemon slice for serving, optional. Pour 4 cups of water into a saucepan. Turn on the heat. Then add the crushed ginger and cinnamon stick. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once it starts boiling, let it simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes. This helps the ginger and cinnamon release their flavor and natural benefits into the water. Turn off the heat. Cover the pan with a lid and let the tea rest for a few minutes. If you like a little sweetness, add ½ teaspoon honey or jaggery to your cup. Now strain the tea into the cup, leaving behind the ginger and cinnamon pieces. Give it a quick stir and add a slice of lemon for extra freshness and flavor. You can enjoy this tea warm or chill it in the fridge for a refreshing cold drink later. Try adding this simple cinnamon tea to your daily routine and enjoy a healthy, refreshing drink that supports your wellness goals. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy homemade drinks and wellness tips.